Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jinx and I just wanted to show you what I learned today about trends and support and resistance. So when you're looking at a chart, if you draw a trend line touching all the draw a line touching all the lowest points possible. You draw a line touching all the lowest lines possible. Basically the lowest point, what you see here, is higher than the previous lowest point, and the lowest point you see here is higher than the previous lowest point. So that shows like an upward trend. And similarly you can do the same thing for top of the chart. Let's say we go from here and you try and touch all the highest points. So this usually the trend usually goes between the lines, and the moment you see the trend has been broken over here, that could possibly indicate it could go in the opposite direction. So these two lines, the space between these two lines are called channel, and the moment the trend the trend is broken, it could show a downward trend. So this is upward trend, where the lowest points and the highest points are higher than the previous lowest points, and this is the line touching the lowest points could be considered as a support, and the line touching the highest points is called the resistance. And once the trend is broken, the support line could change into resistance and vice versa. And similarly, if you look at the previous day, this shows and if you are able to draw a line touching all the lowest possible, let's leave it here and draw another trend line. So in this particular thing, I've drawn a line touching the lowest point. So the lowest point here is lower than the previous lower point, and the higher points here is lower than the previous lower point. That basically shows a downward trend. So basically you can have a downward trend, you can have a upward trend, or you can have like a sideward trend where it is going horizontally. One could be the support, one could be the resistance, and once the trend is broken, a new support and new resistance is created. That's my understanding, and if anybody thinks it's wrong, please correct me. Thank you.